Here's how to add bulk phone numbers to your WhatsApp group from an Excel file without needing to manually saving them or sending invite links. First of all, what you need to do is open a browser, then go to contacts.google.com. If you don't have a PC, you can follow this step on your smartphone as well. After going to the contacts page, make sure you're logged in with the same Google account as your smartphone. Now you should have some contacts here already. If not, just click on Create Contact and then add a single contact. After that, what you need to do is click on this export icon and from the window, choose Google CSV. Now click on Export. After it's downloaded, let's open it up, and here you'll see all your contact names, and at the far right, in one column, you should see all the phone numbers. If there's multiple columns, the columns may appear narrow, so you just need to select them and double tap on the border to expand them. And now you'll have columns like phone 1 value. You may also have phone 2 value as well. You simply need to paste all your other phone numbers right below this column. So open the file containing all your other numbers, copy the cells, and paste it in the CSV file. After this, what we'll need to do is also give these contacts a name. So let's go all the way to the left, and I'll just name them to customer 1, customer 2, and so on. In Excel, what you can do is select multiple cells with a visible pattern and drag it from the bottom right corner, and you'll see it will magically follow the sequence. So after you have named all your contacts, save the CSV file, close it out, then go back to your web page, and now we'll need to import these, which you can find in the left panel. So click on Import, then select File, and now choose the same file, which will usually be in the download folder. So let's select the contacts file and hit Open. It will say File successfully uploaded, so we'll just click on Import. At the corner you'll see Importing Contacts. So wait until it says done, and now if we scroll down, you can see we have all the numbers that we added in the Excel file. Now your work here is done. So close the browser, and if you check your smartphone's contacts, they should appear in there as well. If they didn't, then you'll just need to sync them manually. For that, open Settings on your smartphone, then search for Google Contact Sync. It may not say the exact same thing. For example, on Samsung it says Sync Contact Accounts. Just click on that, then open Sync, and now make sure you have chosen the same Google account that we were logged in the browser, and then click on Sync. There you go, it will say Last Synced, so we can exit out, and now you should have the numbers in your contacts. So the last and the main thing is adding these contacts to our WhatsApp group. So we will open WhatsApp and go to our group. If you don't have a group, you can create one and add all the contacts from here. And if you already have a group, then you can tap on the group name and now add all your new contacts from here. If your contacts don't have a WhatsApp, they'll get an invite link. And that's how you can add bulk phone numbers to your WhatsApp group. Let us know how this went, and I'll see you in the next one.